Y'all don't make fun of my baits now in here. That's a producer right there, and that's cork. That rides high, and it's a slider. It's easy to move. Easy. And it's on a nice long shank hook. And it is a 4. Yes, I must admit it is a 4. But that's a catcher right there. And that's cork. And look, ain't nothing fancy. I got some paint pens in here, and I got some of them ink pens and all that. I color them up a little bit, give them a little color. But I mean, it's nothing to tie these. If y'all, you put your base down. I don't know if you can see there's a little crack right there. You put your base down, you cut your slot in that damn cork. And you set it on there with some super duper glue and let her sit, baby, and then come back and build it. You can learn how to do this on YouTube. Y'all don't need me to tell you how to do it. But that's easy to tie, y'all. It's a couple of things you need to find.